The next question. This is a very important question from the textbook itself. This is question number 14. Okay, question number 14 from textbook, which carries 5 marks. Let's look at the question. The question says the sides AB, AC, and the median AD. What does it say? The sides AB, AC, and the median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides PQ, PR, and the median PM. If we have to write it, we shall write it as what is given to us. The given part is AB, AC, and median AD of triangle ABC is proportional to PQ, side PQ, PR, and median PM respectively of triangle PQR. And we want to prove that the two triangles, triangle ABC, is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, we need to prove that triangle ABC is similar to PQR. I hope it is understood, the question. It is a very important question from the textbook itself, children. So we need to pay attention to this question. Do not forget to revise this question before your exams. Okay. To prove this, we all know we need to do a construction over here. The construction is going to be a very important construction. We cannot do this question without doing the construction. We will extend AD to point E such that AD is equals to DE. So our construction goes here. We will extend AD to point E, and condition is that AD is equals to DE. Same construction we are going to do in triangle PQR. We'll say extend PM. See children, one thing to remember over here and understand is when I say AD means we are going from A to D and then from D to E. So the order in which the extension is written is very important. If I say extend PM, so I'll go from P to M to the next point. Here what are we saying? We are extending PM to point N such that the same condition PM should be equal to Mn. So we have a construction over here as well. What is the construction going to be? N such that PM is equals to Mn. Is the construction understood? And then we shall join E to C and B to E. Similarly, we will join Q to N and we will join N to R. We shall join N to R. Okay. Now, there was a word over here, median. What does a median do? It joins the midpoint of a side. It will join the midpoint of a side to its opposite vertex. It means that D is the midpoint of BC. So we are going to get BD equal to DC. Similarly, if PM is the median, we can say that M is the midpoint of QR. Am I right? Am I understood? So this is a basic concept that we are going to work with. Okay. So now if we look at the figure as it is given, we say we'll do for triangle ABC. We'll write similarly for triangle PQR. You don't need to prove both sides. So we'll prove first for the first part. We'll write in triangle ABC. What do we know? AD is the median. AD is the median. If AD is the median, we know that BD is equals to DC. Also, what do we know? We know that by construction, what did we write? We wrote AD equals to DE. This is by construction. Now, if I look for these two properties in the quadrilateral BACE, we are looking at which quadrilateral, children? We are looking at BACE, this quadrilateral. We are looking at this quadrilateral. Then BC and AE are its diagonals, and both the diagonals are bisecting each other. So what can we say? The quadrilateral BACE is a parallelogram. It's a property of the parallelogram that the diagonals will bisect each other. Got it? Now we can write similarly quadrilateral. What can we say about quadrilateral? QPRN. It is also a parallelogram. We'll write therefore quadrilateral. QPRN is a parallelogram. So we proved it's a parallelogram. Now it is to be understood, right? Now why did we prove it to be a parallelogram? First need to understand that. If we want, we were given what? We were given that AB, AC and diagonal AD. If I want to prove triangle ABC similar to PQR, I have two sides in proportion already. If we manage to prove angle A equal to angle P, then we will say that the two triangles are similar by SAS. So we are doing all these constructions and proofs just to prove that angle A is equal to angle P. I hope it is understood. If we want to prove that we already have AB upon PQ is equals to AC upon PR. We already have two sides in proportion. If the included angle is equal, if we manage to prove the included angle equal, then we know that the two triangles will be similar by SAS test. And then we can, that's the question, right? That is what we need to prove. I hope you've understood. Now, if I look at the similarity part, okay, now that we proved that quadrilateral ABC or BACE is a parallelogram, can we write AB is equals to EC and BE is equals to AC? We are saying AB equals to EC and yes, and AC is equals to BE. This is what we want to prove. We use this. Now see what's going to happen. All this will be similarly written for triangle for the quadrilateral QPRN. So we'll write the second part together. We'll write similarly, we can prove that quadrilateral QPRN is a parallelogram and it is a parallelogram and therefore we can write PQ equals to very good RN and QN is equals to PR because they are the opposite sides of a parallelogram, right? With this information, we can write now what was given to us. We were given AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM is equals to AC upon PR. This was given to us. All the three sides in proportion. AB, AC and median AD are proportional to the sides PQ, PR and PM respectively of triangle PQR. Now if you look at AB, we need AB, right? We'll keep AB and PQ as it is. Why so? Let's see. What about AD? If AD upon PM, can we write it as 2AD upon 2PM? Why did we double it? Because now we are going to look at this triangle. We are comparing these two triangles. And why are we comparing these two triangles? To prove that these two triangles are similar. And because they are similar, we'll say that this angle is equal to this angle. They are parts of similar triangles. This is what we are planning to do. So that is why we considered the two triangles. We needed AB, we kept AB. Instead of AD, now I want AE. And we know AD is half of AE. Or you can say 2 times AD will be AE. That is why we multiplied the ratio with 2. And in place of AC, what is AC equal to? AC is equal to BE. And PR is equal to QN. Right? Looking ahead, looking forward to it now. We have AB upon PQ. 2AD. Double of AD we just now discussed is AE. And double of PM is equals to PN is equals to BE upon QN. See what did we get? We got AB, AD, AE and BE, PQ, PN and QN, right? We got all of this, right? We got all of this. So using this, we are going to say what? Therefore, We are going to write here. Therefore, we get triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQN, by which test all three sides are in proportion. So we'll say SSS test, and therefore we can say that angle BAE is equals to angle QPN by corresponding parts of similar triangles. Let's see. We said because these two triangles are similar now, we are saying angle BAE is equal to angle QPN. Now all of this which we did on triangle, in triangle ABE, this was, can I write over here? In triangle ABE and triangle PQN, we compared these. Now we can do the same thing on in triangle ACE and triangle PRN, and we can prove that angle CAE is equals to angle RPN, right? So let's write it quickly. We'll write here. Similarly, we can prove that. Similarly, we can prove that triangle CAE is similar to triangle RPN, and therefore children, we'll get angle CAE is equals to angle RPN by corresponding parts of similar triangles, and this is by SSS test, right? Next part, what if I add these two statements? Now, can we write, I'll try to copy the figure for you children. Let me try. Let's come down, let's paste it over here for us to understand. I hope we understand it. Let's quickly draw it again so that you have an idea. So it sometimes takes time to do it manually. So please cooperate. This is point E. We join this, and over here we know BD is equals to DE and AD is equal to BE. Similarly, we extend PM to N. These two equal. PM being the median, we get QM is equals to MR, and now again this. We have proved that these two angles are equal, and we have proved that these two angles are equal, right? Now moving further, we write, consider angle BAC. What is angle BAC? Angle BAC is angle BAD or BAE plus angle CAD plus angle CAD. But BAE or BAD is nothing but QPN or QPM. We have proved it above. Similarly, CAD or CAE is equals to RPN or RPM, right? Why we can replace M and N? Because they are collinear points. Now, if you look at QPM plus RPM, it is nothing but angle QPR. So we got that these two angles are equal. Now finally we write, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we have AB upon PQ is equals to AC upon PR. This is given to us. Three parts were given. We are choosing only two. And we managed to prove that angle A is equals to angle P. We can say we've proved it above. And hence we can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by which test? Yes, SAS. I hope you all have understood this. Please revisit if you have any doubts. Please feel free to put your questions in the chat box. I'll try my best to answer them. But I hope this is understood. It is a very important question. Please do not forget to revise it. And do not get confused with the question where you have triangle ABC, triangle PQR, and the sides in proportion are AB, BC, and median AM. And PQ, QR, and median QN. These are different questions, children. Here we have AB and AC. Here we have AB and side AB and side BC. And we know BC is equal, so its solution is going to be way simpler. So don't get confused with these two questions. Practice them thoroughly. It's a very important question from exam point of view. I hope understood. Again, a last advice: write and practice. Maths cannot be done orally. Write and practice. It will help you. Thank you. Keep practicing.